Hi everyone, Lisa here from Down to Earth Gardening, and we have a great gardening video for you today, and it is on Echinacea or coneflower. 2023 was a spectacular year for the Echinacea. It did so well, and I have to say that it usually does. It's a pretty reliable perennial. I'm here in Northeast Connecticut in Zone 6A, and today I want to talk about why I like Echinacea so much. I'm going to give you a little tour of how beautiful it was this year, and also I'm going to throw up some names of the Echinaceas that I love, and I'm going to talk about this glorious variety right here. So Echinacea is a native perennial in many parts of the U.S. There's so many different varieties of it. Natively, you'll usually see it in a pink color. So it blooms in June and it goes right through. You'll even see a smattering of it in the fall. And like I said, it's a very reliable bloomer. It grows anywhere from 1 to 3 feet tall, and it's got pretty sturdy, upright stems. And you'll see it, different cultivars in many colors. There's a squirrel or something behind us here. Many colors, so pink is most common, but you'll also see it in white, shades of orange, tangerine, coral, yellow, red, purple. So I've even seen it in green with some green petals. So it has a beautiful cone in the center, and it's really great for butterflies. And then in the fall, the chickadees and the goldfinches love the seed heads. So it's really great in the fall or even in the winter to leave the seed heads in the garden for our winged friends. So it's a beautiful flower in the garden, but it can also be a cut flower or you can dry it. So either way, it's just all around a wonderful, hardy, long blooming perennial. So what I have in front of me is a bunch of Panama red Echinacea. And this is for a project that we're doing. So there's actually 36 of them here. We're really excited about this little project. But it's so vibrant. I absolutely had to show you this one. Beautiful, true red petals. And the stems are even a burgundy red as well. This Echinacea does well in zones 5 through 9. And it's a little shorter, so it comes in at about 12 to 14 inches tall. Now, I do also want to say that they can be pretty drought tolerant. Of course, they need a little extra water to get going, but they do prefer full sun. I've even seen them do well in part sun. And natively, you will also see them not just in prairies and fields, but also growing along the woodland edge. So part sun, meaning you can get away with 4 to 6 hours a day, but they will do best in full sun 6+ hours a day. So with all that said, all my flower talk, I want to invite you to come on a little tour with us, and we'll show you some beautiful Echinacea, and we'll also give you a few more ideas for planting some coneflowers in your garden. So that wraps up our tour for today. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Every year is a beautiful year for Echinacea. Such a wonderful perennial addition to your garden, and I hope that I've given you some ideas to plant in your own gardens. So they're not only great for us visually, but they're also great for our pollinator friends. So if you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and tap like. I appreciate all of you at home watching, and then go ahead and subscribe to our channel for some future gardening fun.